She are the good girl, them scream. FIFA. How are the DM? You don't know what? She are the up 2, 3, 4 hot girls roll out. Let's roll out. Up 2, 3, 4 hot girls roll out. Take the mega land. Let me see you just move. Your body, move. Your body, move. Your body, move. Your body, move. Somebody, move. Your body, move. Your body, move. Your body, power. Now, girl, now do all the tick-tock, drop it on the. How are you? We are almost free. Center to center, snap on the beat. We are bubble out a boy waistline on the beach. Who that can chat them can go and preach. Hot couple style, ladies. Bubble me, no response. She ain't panic on us of a party. Next in a friend, I go and keep up trying. I don't party. How are you? All of the girls have been good, pum pum scream. When me say, move nobody, every girl gets with you. Still can't do that with you. I got segment time again. On the sun now, have it just one. Double up how I look, me body got short. Bend over where the hell, me body got short. Double up how I look, me body got short. Got short, got short. Shut up body like a dog in a heat. Jump for the road, and I rock for the beat. Run for the drum, for the hot and sweet. Bump for the road, and catch them your feet. Flipping on the system, making well nice. What's in my cup? In my cup. I might say I bless all the give me this exact. Pull up the tune, let me get my ring and that shirt. Now I like that crowd. Hold on. I like that crowd here. I don't know why you see them in the house make some noise, please. Big up you. I don't know to them, the side chick them in the house make some noise, please. Who are we? I don't know why you see them in the house make some noise, please. Shut up. Shut up. You know I can't take with someone and wife who are hypocrites. Because people man don't take and turn wife. No shame not in my game. I not only have double joints in my legs, I have double joints in my pum pum too. Me take a girl man. Do you understand? This is a public service announcement from the Macy's Corporation. You know, so let's sing it out loud. If you could have take back. Pull up. They're gonna stop playing me in a dance hall. That girl has been sung. Who are you to sing with me? If I could have take back, would I take it back? But I'm not done. So I let chat to a chat, yeah, chat to my back. Look up. Come in and come, never give me sitting. The only one I know we go, you wiggle. That's a tag, I like you gonna giggle, come. I'm a suffer them. But good girl, make you wine. Just show me the wine, where you use and take it. To them when they get to the time. Some girl talk about mate and the man a beat them. It's not a mate, he's an idiot. Some girl talk about mate and you only know the car back. Some girl talk about mate and when you go to the man knows the dog back off a uno. Pick up the real wife for them and own it down. Bust a blank to all of the real wife for them in the house. Play something for my wife for them, Lincoln.
When I want to go some, oh no, so I'm on first prize. I want I'm first size.
Run away to them, they want you lose.
All them attack and make them fret.
I don't know you are your man now.
You are big choice, big first choice. Don't punch a cold girl, you are the what?
You are the wife. Walk out for the sanga. You are the wife, walk out for the. Your man love your bad work. Any man may know for wife. Tell a girl, my man a wife me up, my man a wife me up, my man a wife me up, I'm in a park like true. The man a wife me up, the man a wife me up, the man a wife me up, they say the man love me. The man a wife me up and it's good name. Play me low, Lincoln. Low. You know how the man love me? Him say, pretty did I tell him would I pay me for my face. Him say, yes I was a parking would I pay me for this face. The man had the over my body like amazing grace. Reach out to wife, so give me the fuss. Not second or third, that a mad day. Not through your ear mate, you whining on my stand there. Me am a good man, where you make future plans. I got a one night stand here, I like them. You can't play a real wifey anthem now. You can't sing a real wifey anthem now. Let me sing Lincoln.
Oh, baby. Oh, God.
Who don't stop your people dancer?
Oh, God. People tired of the song. Oh, baby. Oh, God.
Next to me there. So who don't forget me next time? Right? Clearly. When next time I'm said.
I did a song like I told things.
Ladies like the time like a shoes. Feel the key of the pop of me up in one. Protect my man like a police. You know pass it for me. You need a figure when me you cry. That's how when me you bet you I got to me in a wife. Show you where that. Right now. Tifa when me go you up.
Let
me say. Pull up! Now say the crowd are nice. The crowd are nice, bad. We can sing a new song for you now. Alright. I have a problem with the man them when I look the little girl them. I have a problem with the man them when in them soft girl era. Man must be man. I have a problem with the jelly back man them. I want a real man. I have a problem with the man them when I know how to treat woman, when I know how to care for woman. Right? I do not talk about, oh, I be a jacket to lucky man. I be a young girl, old man look. When the Viagra now work, what do you think I go reach you know? Enough of them man I don't want good woman, them want mockers. So when they there with the mockers, they don't think when I go get jacket. Talk truth! If me a talk the truth, must have blank and go la 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 la. That is it. That's how you name my water man, let it go. That's how you name my water man. I want a real man. Any real man out there naturally? Yo, why things couldn't just work out in my favor. Now I'm saying by I'm sincere later. What that one blurt out, I want me sorry for. Dirty man that I have one about your ways, yeah. Really didn't wanna be single again, but it had to come to an end. How why? These nowadays men be girlier than even my girlfriends. I want a man. Pull up! Play the next one. People, we're not engaged anymore. I'm a bitter. All of the girls that want eat them ex, what's a blank from your eat your ex? The eat man. I can't tell you how much me eat my ex. Look. I almost wish I could have take the quint back. Every back shot, hold me every time I lay down. Palm my back when me think about who I mean. Did I share back your cranny? Me shoulda never put stop mark me. I know your ex a stop tell people that. Me woulda never claim you all if my smoke's crack. You sick dog too much boy, you can't get me back. Can't bribe me with no money, so your mother with that. You feel like it. Now this make you what's it every girl a bubble in the crowd? Ladies, let's go! Hey! Alice in Dungeon and roll it down. When you are right, you roll it down. Ladies, it's up. Roll it down. Look out. Never the pressure. Take me with the line, roll up your room. Take me with the line, shake up your room. Take me with the line, you say you come down. Mama, y'all sleep like Jesus. Already girl, I'm in the big bump for them. Already girl, I'm in the big bump for them. Tiffany, my big bad dancer. Tiffany, go talk to them. Tifa fans them from long time. Real Tifa fans them from long time. Hands up. Remember them son, yeah?
Ready.
Granny girl, hot girl and mix it. Granny girl, can't go and roll and she smell like a spit. Let me see you just kick out your foot because you know your body good. Who give a shit, you know you're not so tough. The other things you know they wish they could. Try everything all around but stay rude. So tell a girl say come out of you. And you are good as in a deal with. And if she bad just tell her. Listen to me new roads. From your arm no green, more see the two and them in the ear.
Hands up, ladies.
More see the two and them in the ear.
Let's go new rules.
Some people cannot hold a man inside a chill on the stadium. You know why? Don't put them down, you know. Anybody put them down, you know, go shame.
Hands up.
You know why? Because some of them smell like the bottom of the bar. Some of them run like they just see me. Some of them face red like Christmas. How I do them? How I do them? Play me low the Lincoln. Low. I can't show you say me one of the baddest things that ever come out of Jamaica. You know why I respect that show ya? Because them pick all of the underdog them. Them never pick the popular people them. Enough talented artists there in Jamaica, but them not get the shine and them not get the bus because of politics and because of foolishness.
True.
Everybody where them book for come on a stage tonight are bad artists. If you don't read alkaline for wine, do go so la 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 la. You can't show yourself whether man or woman. We are one of the baddest things to come out of Jamaica. You know the Lincoln. You must have things some people never would have. As a matter of fact, never did a cappella. Never did a cappella. When we start with things some people never would have contemplated. But would have been so big, but would have been so celebrated. I mean them never rate, I mean them underestimated. Career accelerated, I know them aggravated. But mine is activated, but them like them cremated. Common style so sick is like me need to get it medicated. I'm a sweet until it's like I get the sugar granulated. Dance all of us stop play with me. When you want me done it, I done it.
Done it.
When I start my thing, some people never would have contemplated. But would have been so big, but would have been so celebrated. I mean them never rate, I mean them underestimated. Career accelerated, I know them aggravated. But mine is activated, but them like them cremated. Common style so sick is like me need to get it medicated. I'm a sweet until it's like I get the sugar granulated. The man them captivated, the wish them could have made it. My pocket habit, add it up is calculated. 2 and 2 together, dirty people escalated. Hypocrites in the town and it's overpopulated. Pop them up, get amputated like a bird that them belated. God, I need them never take my wood that dominated. With the evil when they do and all the plans them orchestrated. Trusting on the Father so it's not so complicated. Read our Psalms every day and never yet abominated. Them next kind like me. You ready for me, boy? You ready for me? Ocha? When you think of some face? Alright, let me sing one more song. One more song. Because I can't leave and don't sing Jamaica's second national anthem. I can't leave and me not have the whole of stadium I sing. Let it go, Lincoln. You're right. Chill on the stadium. Tell them me are the B-A-D-D-E-S. We don't know chill on the well LS. I want the D-E-N. I want the music. Chill on the night on the D-E-N. You know what I'm about to do. I people man. Chill to the fullest. I'm gonna I put them in the M-E-S-S. Beat them chest. Who are the best? Who the S-T-I-E? Well, this thing I guess. Rock the M-G. Somebody full of air. Call G-U-C-C. Let me see the end of it. Okay.
Tifa, I don't want you to just walk off some more. New rules. Before Tifa leave this stage, let us all make some noise for Tifa and give her a rousing round of applause. Tifa, pick up yourself. so we make the superstar on the leave stage. The superstar on the leave stage, so you're mad. Bust a blank for Tifa again now. You want to go say L-O-K-A-E.